hapon po at welcome po sa ating postgame interview kasama ating winning coach, si Chito Victolero ng Magnolia, Pangbansamano, Asia. Coach, congratulations at anong coach mo sa malalong ito?
Yeah, it started with our defense, and we want to control the pace of the game. I told to my players before this game na we need to have that mental toughness because we know na this is a very physical game. And alam naman namin yung rain or shine. Last bubble, we faced them in the quarterfinals and we have a hard time. And now also, okay, but ang maganda lang nun is we continue to play defense, we continue to execute on our offense on both ends of the floor, we execute. So medyo maganda yung contribution again ng bench namin. So the Gios, Jeric, and also Aris Junicio together with Ian.
Coach, mention mo na nga yung tatlo. Stocks mo lang dun sa explain mo in detail ano ko impress sa laro nila ngayon.
Yeah, they are very sharp. They have a good chemistry, and they deserve that. They have na-reward lang sila because they work hard in practice, especially Aris and Gio. They work hard. They keep on working hard on their weaknesses. So, yun, nagbubunga yung mga pinagpapaguran nila. And hopefully we continue to play this kind of game. Medyo maganda yung depensa namin. Tsaka also si Mike is a team player. He wants to involve the local players also. So, yun, maganda yung chemistry ng local at ng import.
Coach, 2-0 na kayo sa conference na to. Ang next game nyo sa Pasko sa halaban ng Ginebra, malaking game to. Anong masasabi mo, Coach?
It's just another game. Although malaking factor yung crowd because during the bubble, dalawang bubble na yan. So medyo, siyempre, it's a classico pero yung hype ng game hindi ganon because of walang crowd. But now, the crowd is back. So we just want to prepare for this game just like the other games. But I don't need to motivate my players on this kind of game, on the Clasico, because the hype and the fans will motivate the players. So hopefully we can execute, we can prepare well for this game, and it's a Christmas Day gift for the PBA fans, for Magnolia and Ginebra fans.
And now we have the pleasure of turning over the questions to our media friends and colleagues na sa Zoom. First up is Mr. Ray Oakley.
Hi, Coach. Congratulations.
Thank you, Ray.
Coach, dalawang quarters of 30 points mahigit ang in-score nyo, dalawang quarters. Pero yung defense nyo, very solid. How do you strike a balance na nakikip niyo yung defensive intensity, but at the same time, high scoring pa rin yung game nyo?
Yeah, actually, we have a problem in the first quarter, and I told to my player, we gave up 31 points in the first quarter, and that's not our defense. And I told to my players, if we keep on giving that kind of points, we have a hard time. So I think on the second quarter, we only gave up 17 points, and that's a good sign pagdating namin ng second half. And yung energy talaga, yung energy at saka yung aggressiveness on both ends of the floor, yun yung nagbigay sa amin ng konting edge dun sa game.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you, Ray.
Coach, going back to Gio, double-double, 14, 10 assists din ata. So, how crucial is this, yung start ni Gio na at least maaga pa lang nakaka-performance siya ng mga kagasa?
Yeah, I'm very happy for Gio. Kasi during the bubble, it's an on and off for Gio eh. There's a lot of game na maganda yung game niya sa bubble, mayroon din namang hindi maganda. But now, consistently, yun yung pinag-usapan namin. And I talk to Gio na we need to be consistent. Yung contribution niya to the team is very very vital, especially si Mark kasi also is a two-way player, and then we want Gio to be also a threat on both ends of the floor. And dyan naman si Gio our first 3 years, yan yung contribution niya, double-double lagi yan So, it's an all Gio halalon, so hopefully magtuloy-tuloy yung kanyang klase ng laro na to. Yung kanyang assist sa turnover ratio, at least naging maganda na. And then yung contribution niya sa points, especially on the energy coming from the bench, yun yung talagang malaking factor na nabibigay sa amin ni Gio, yung energy niya at yung aggressiveness niya doon sa depensa.
Coach, going back sa Manila Clasico, paano magiging, alam ko kakapanalo nila, pero paano magiging preparation nyo? Tuloy-tuloy ba? O practice pa kayo sa 24? O paano?
Yeah, we need to take a break tomorrow, and then we will start our preparation on Tuesday siguro. Yeah, we need to practice on the 24th because we have a game on the 25th. So I think we just try to eliminate the distraction as much as possible. There's a lot of distractions on this game because it's a Christmas Day game. If we can do that, we have a good focus sa game siguro. And again, it's a big game for both teams because after 2 years, the crowd is back. And alam naman natin yung even me nung bata ako sinusundan ko yung game na yan. So yung mga parents natin, yung mga lolos, I think they're excited also to watch this Manila Clasico again live.
My question, sila po ang ating postgame interview kasama si Magnolia Coach Chito Victolero. Congratulations po rin po.
Thank you.